How I told you that fractions were just division problems that haven't been finished? That's how we're going to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. We're basically going to divide the numerator, 35, by the denominator, 2. I'll show you what that looks like. We're going to go 2 into 35. That goes 17 times. Looks like that'll be 34, remainder 1. Now I want to show you this 17, that's our answer. That's going to be our new number here, 17. And then 1 is going to be the numerator, and then the original denominator, 2, is still going to be the denominator. I want to color code everything just to make it easy. So that 17, that was our original answer. The 1 as the remainder, that goes there. And then the original, denominator, the 2, is still going to be our denominator there. So it's 17 and a half. Just want to color code everything to make things clear for you. We'll do a couple more examples to clarify further. So 17 over 3, oh, that's 3 into 17. Looks like that'll go 5 times. That'll be 15. 17 minus 15 is 2, so that's the remainder. So the answer, 17 thirds, would be 5 and 2 thirds. Again, color coding it just so you guys can see what's going on. 5 was the answer. That's our number. And then our fraction part is going to be the 2 is the remainder up top. And then the original 3 is the denominator, is still going to be the denominator in our answer. Okay. Now, one last example, 7 over 2. What will that be? Well, that'll be 2 into 7. Looks like that goes 3 times. Gives me 6 here. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 is the remainder. So the answer will be 3 and 1/2. Again, color coding it so you can see, hey, 3 was the answer. That's our quotient. 3 is going to be our number there. 1 is the remainder. So now that's going to be the numerator of our new fraction. And then the original denominator, 2, is still going to be the denominator in our answer.